Hi everyone. Today we are going an experiment about the calcium carbide explosion. We need to use a bamboo stick as we do our experiment, and these are all the materials are going to use. At first, we're going a PPE protective equipment so that no harm for this experiment and no accident for this experiment. And don't forget to wear face mask for us that we cannot inhalate the gases of our experiment. And also the face shield to protect our face. And the gloves. And this is the calcium carbide, and also these are the rugs, and also this paper and the bowl. At first, we need to examine how calcium carbide. We need to try how calcium carbide reacts with water. And these are the matches. We need to use it for the fire. So, if you want to observe with the calcium carbide with and water, they can produce fire. And the more water you put to calcium carbide, the more inflame of. And that are the example of how calcium carbide reacts with water. And that's the beginning, or that's the beginning of the production of acetylene gases. So today na we're focusing on how calcium carbide explode using the bamboo. So at first, we need to put the calcium carbide inside the bamboo. And after, we need to cover a paper and using the tie box. And next, we use wet rags to drop water inside the bamboo so that the calcium carbide can wet and produce acetylene gases. And then we need to cover up the hole of the bamboo so that no acetylene gases can escape. And you need to wait 2 to 5 minutes before we need to put it with a fire. Then, are you ready? So, this one. The most important thing of this experiment is that we don't need to get closer to the bamboo so that no accident can happen. So are you excited? And now, after 2 to 5 minutes, we need to get off the wet rags and then put it with the fire and let's see what will happen.